This video is going to cover erase and reveal. Now what we're going to do is show you exactly what needs to be done and submitted for a grade. You'll notice that what we have here is the teacher's name, and we also have what they're going to do with this assignment. Now I'm going to double click on his name and you'll notice it's Comic Sans 48.2. It's imperative that when you are working with a font that you make sure the minimum size is 28 bold. This will allow the people in the back of the room to see what's going on. Now you'll notice that we have yellow here as a background. I'm going to click on this little rectangle here and move it around, and now I'm going to simply get rid of it. And the reason I am is I want to illustrate to you how we do that. I'm going to click on the shapes and I'm going to click on this rectangle and I'm going to place it over top of it. The reason for that is sometimes you want to make sure that the student can see what's going on. I click on my arrow, click back here, and you'll notice we have some patterns here we can work with. I'm going to make it green, and I'm going to click on my line and I'm going to make it a little bit bolder. Now you'll notice it covered up the words, and the reason for that is Smartboard is in 3 layers. I'm going to click on my down arrow here and click on the word order. I'm going to send it to the back. So this makes it really easy to see. Now your background, you have to decide what you'd like. By placing your mouse here in the center, I'm going to right click, set my background, and you'll notice that I have a pattern here. You can also have a pattern, or if you want, you can have a solid fill. You make the call on whatever you feel is necessary. But I personally like patterns because it kind of adds a little pizzazz to what you see. And so here we have a pattern. Now let me click on to the second page, page 2. You'll notice what this teacher had done is, again, they had the fonts rather large. He went to Google and took a teddy bear here plus, and he has these other teddy bears. Now down here he also has the number equation, 1 teddy bear plus what. Now the background is purple, so let me click on the eraser, and by doing so I'm going to click on the large eraser for erase and reveal, and it will erase the teddy bears, and you also erase the number. Now if you wish to cover it up, very simply click on the pen, click on any color you'd like, click on properties, and I'm going to use purple again, and this is going to cover up the bears. So you can simply use whatever color you feel is necessary and cut up the bears, and this way it allows the students to see exactly what's going on. You'll notice I hit the plus sign, so just simply hit the eraser and undo covering up the plus sign. So that was number 2. Now don't forget, what we have here is we have the font that's rather large, and we have pictures. And also he took the liberty of taking some balloons, and by clicking on it, if you want to do that, that's excellent. Just simply click on sound, find your sound, make sure you click on the whole object and not the corner, then simply attach it. Let's look at page number 3. Page number 3, same basic concept. We have 2 dinosaurs plus how many dinosaurs equal 6 dinosaurs, and 2 plus what equals 6. Again, hit the eraser, and I'm going to erase this, and the same thing holds true here. Now again, since it's a green background, click on your pen, click on any color, click on properties, and we want this color due to the fact that that's the background. So this makes it pretty neat to cover this up like you see it. So this way it makes it more interesting and definitely more fun for the kids if you erase and reveal. And I'm going to cover up the number 4. Again, he has the balloon here, but you'll notice, let me point this out to you, you'll notice that we have a corner. I'm going to right click, sound, and you normally don't want just a corner, you want the whole object and attach it. And that way it makes it easier to see. Hooray! Let's go to the last one. Again, erase and reveal. You make this as sophisticated as you want, depending upon the grade or subject that you're teaching. Same basic idea. Click on the eraser, and you'll notice we have 3 balloons plus how many balloons are missing. Okay, this is pretty easy. We put that number 4. Again, you'll notice that we need the pen, and since the background is blue, I'm going to click on dark blue, and again we cover up the blue on top of the pen. So you can see logically, whatever the color of the background is, you use that color to cover it up. And the same thing holds true with the number 4. Now, again, I'm going to click on the arrow key. Here we have a corner, but we don't want that. I'm going to click here, click on my down arrow, and click on the word sound, and we want the whole object. So you don't have that little arrow. Okay, so you'll notice we have the first page. This is the instructional page telling us what's going on. Page 2, page 3, and in this case, page 4. All of which is very easy and simple to do. I'm going to place this with the video so you can look at it and modify it if you'd like. Okay, that ends the video on Erase and Reveal.